Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Model Tool Kit is probably one of the most essential purchases for any serious plastic model builder, offering a wide variety of high-quality tools to help you create stunningly realistic and detailed models. From precision knives and tweezers for intricate assembly to sanding sticks and files for smoothing surfaces and removing excess plastic, a good tool kit is your key to unlocking the full potential of your hobby and achieving professional-looking results that you can be proud of, no matter your skill level. Number 5. Stedi 4.7-inch Nipper. This precision nipper is designed for the discerning model builder. Its thin blades and comfortable grip make it a joy to use. The thin blade gets closer to the part, reducing trimming time and effort. The unique design enhances precision and control. It's made from high-carbon alloy steel, heat-treated for superior hardness and a smooth cutting action. Expect exceptional durability. The compact, matte finish handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. Say goodbye to hand fatigue. The spring's moderate resilience makes cutting easy and efficient. The limit latch prevents damage from excessive force. It's ideal for plastic models under 3 mm. This isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate precision instrument for your hobby. What we like. It features an ultra-thin blade for precision cuts, ensuring you minimize any damage to your delicate model parts. The high-quality steel construction guarantees durability and a smooth cutting experience. If you value precision and comfort during long building sessions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They get very close to the plastic that I am working on. The reason these are beginner-friendly, because I am assuming you are not using two different pairs of nippers. One for the rack and one for the finished cut to the plastic. These are a great hybrid for being able to use for both the rack, and almost a clean finish cut on the intended model piece. These clippers are perfect. I barely feel any resistance when cutting and they leave a very clean cut. In going through many different style and types of nippers and snipper over the years, I found these on a Black Friday sale. They are the sharpest and easiest to use of any nipper I have encountered. The soft grips, the double-sided blade, the springs on the handles all make these the peak in quality and functionality for my nippy needs. Number 4. 53 PCS Gundam Model Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to build, repair, and customize your Gundam models. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. With 53 pieces, it includes nippers, tweezers, files, sanding tools, a pen knife, drill bits, and more. You'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Use the nippers to remove parts from the runner, tweezers for small stickers, and files for delicate work. It simplifies every stage of the building process. Made from durable, high-quality materials, each tool is designed for precision and multiple uses. It's built to last and handle any task. The kit comes with a portable A4 backing plate and a storage box, making it easy to transport and keep your tools organized. Take your projects anywhere. Surprise your friends who love animation, cartoons, or models with this unique and thoughtful gift. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned modelers alike. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for your model building projects, from cutting and sanding to detailed assembly. It's a complete solution for both beginners and experienced modelers. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with all the essentials, neatly organized for easy transport, then this is the kit for you. What people say. The part separator is handy, and the cutter is really good, not an electrician quality but more than good. And the rasps are good, and the nail file type files are handy as well. The added sandpaper for making sanding sticks is great. And the mini Dremel, for lack of a better word. Pretty much those battery-operated nail buffer, is a great help for tight places with the included bits. Same for the pin vise, a drill for those that are not sure of a pin vise. Or what it is. The kit is pretty decent. Tweezers are good, mat is good, files, etc. Number 3. HIJIRH 108 PCS Pro Model Tool Kit. Get ready to explore this comprehensive kit, designed for model building enthusiasts of all skill levels. It's got everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. This kit boasts high-precision carbon steel tools, ensuring clean cuts and a smooth workflow. The durable construction means they'll last through countless projects. From precision cutting pliers and an electric sanding machine to a wide array of bits and blades, it has the perfect tool for every step of your model making process. The included portable toolbox keeps everything neatly organized and easily accessible, whether you're working in your studio or on the go. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. HIJIRH has been a trusted name in the modeling industry for over 2 decades, collaborating with studios across Japan and Europe. This kit reflects that experience and commitment to quality. It's a complete system, meticulously designed to empower your creativity and elevate your model-making experience. It's the perfect companion for artists and hobbyists alike. What we like. This extensive set boasts an impressive array of tools, including a handy electric polisher for a professional finish. The high-quality carbon steel tools ensure durability and precision. If you are a serious modeler who needs a wide variety of tools and want the best quality, this is the ultimate kit for you. What people say. Well worth the price and packed full of hobby goodness. Convenient, affordable, and durable, perfect for a heavy-handed hobbyist like myself. Proper tools will definitely make building model cars more enjoyable. Number 2. 9 PCS Gundam Model Tools Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to build and repair your models. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. It includes side cutters, a file, a hobby knife, a polishing cloth, polishing bars, and tweezers. All neatly organized in a protective plastic case. The tools are made from high-quality materials for durability. The cutters are carbon steel, the tweezers are stainless steel, and the knife has a safety cap. These tools are lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take your projects anywhere. They're designed for comfort and precision. Surprise a friend who loves models or crafting. It's a thoughtful gift that shows you care, and it's perfect for beginners. What we like. This compact set is perfect for beginners, offering a great value for money. Its lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for taking your projects on the go. If you're just starting out and want a basic, affordable set, this is a great option for you. What people say. It was very useful and comes with a lot of tools. The box has what you would need if you are starting out doing book nooks or 3D wood projects. The case snaps tight. Still has room to add more files or tools if needed. Performance of the tools has been good so far. These sturdy little tools make my miniature building so much easier. Number 1. 21 PCS Modeler Basic Tools Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to start building your models. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. It includes a variety of tools, from pliers and screwdrivers to files, tweezers, and polishing tools. Everything is neatly organized in a protective plastic case. These tools are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The precision-made blades and sturdy construction guarantee a smooth and efficient crafting experience. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Take it with you wherever your crafting adventures lead. Surprise your friends who love animation, cartoons, or model building with this unique and thoughtful gift. It's a perfect present for both beginners and enthusiasts. What we like. This set offers a good balance of essential tools for various model building tasks. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for both beginners and those who want a more streamlined kit. If you need a well-rounded set of tools without unnecessary extras, this is the right choice for you. What people say. The variety of tools blew me away. From the handy side pliers to the precision tweezers, I felt equipped for every stage of my project. The extra blades and polishing cloth were a pleasant surprise, ensuring my models not only come together well but shine at the end. Quality. Top-notch. The trimmer pen has a solid feel, and its safety cap is a thoughtful touch. Those cutting pliers. Built to last with durable carbon steel. And the tweezers. Made of stainless steel, they're perfect for those delicate tasks without any worry of rust or magnetism. This little kit has everything. Very useful and still in very good condition many uses and months later. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.